Recently stumbled upon this insane channel that gets over 50 million views over the last 30 days. Just talking about facts. Just look at the average daily views. This here in green is the amount of video views this channel gets every single day. Over 1 million, 2 million, almost 3 million views on this day. And that's every day of the week. So in this video, what I'll be doing is running through the approach that this channel takes to see how hard or easy a channel like this is to start. This would work even if you're starting a faceless channel. If you appreciate these kinds of videos, you could easily repay me with just one simple click of the like button. It's reasonably priced and it takes just 1 second. Now that we got that out of the way, let's take a look at this channel. Well, Luke Davidson Facts. And I'm guessing this is Luke Davidson, who apparently has a total lifetime views of 2.84 billion. Just let that sink in. Now the video views for each day of the week. There's some days that it's a little bit over 1 million views, and some days even close to 3 million views. But it's safe to say, according to Social Blade, that the daily average views is over 1,700,000. The next thing is the money, and he seems to be making a lot of it. The estimated earnings each day ranges anywhere in between $300 to $11,000 per day. Well, that's a high day, but on average it's between $300 and $5,000, which is a monthly average of $13,000 to $200,000 per month just from YouTube ad revenue. And I say that because he has other revenue streams. And if that wasn't enough, now combine all of those views and that amount of money each month with this kind of growth over the past 30 days. 30,000 new subscribers. Okay, let's see what these videos are actually about. Just head down to the videos tab on his homepage. You might be shocked to see that the last video was uploaded 8 months ago. Now wait, this just doesn't really add up, because 8 months ago and he makes 53 million views still. This is because even though the last few long form videos has hundreds of thousands of views, what he does now is only post YouTube shorts. So when you hit the shorts tab, you would see all of his recent content. And this creator posts daily. And if you just have a look at the amount of views over the past most recent videos, you might say that the amount of subscribers that he has, yeah, even though it's 3.47 million, the ratio of the amount of views on some of these recent videos is still really good. It's excellent. But check this out as I click the popular tab. This is insane. The most popular video is 52 million views, and you have to actually scroll while you're still seeing videos that has over 10, 20, 30 million views. Maybe it's because people are generally curious about facts. Because according to TubeBuddy, in the Keyword Explorer, facts get searched millions of times each month. 3.18 million times to be exact. And the interest over time is always high. But who knows, this is not a fact why his videos blow up. But you should subscribe if you haven't done so already. Now that's a fact. Let's see what one of the popular videos will look like to see what all the fuss is about. This one that has 52 million views.
10 facts you didn't know that could save your life.
Now after looking at this entire video, what I've realized is that not rocket science or anything, it's just 10 facts being read. That's it. Well, there's some photos or stock footage as well, but that's all there is to it. Here's one more.
5 viral photos that are actually fake. First off,
again, it's just a list of something. In this case, it's 5 viral photos that are actually fake. So he shows 2 photos, one of the viral photo and one with the evidence that it's fake, with a brief explanation for each one and just like 1 sentence. So you must be wondering right now how easy or how hard this is to start. Well, let's find out. Well, the first thing is the script, or more like facts, which you can easily find right over on Google. Now it can be any types of facts, and by typing facts into Google and letters before or after the word facts, different suggestions would show up. But for simplicity and for having something similar to that video that got 50 million views, then search for something like 10 life-saving facts. You would find a lot of them here, and what I would recommend is not using all from the same article. You should get really interesting ones from each of the top ranking articles here. Maybe open some of them up in different tabs, copy the ones that you find interesting or life-saving, and then do the same thing in the other articles. Go grab the fact and copy it. Paste it and then save them somewhere, whether it's a Google Doc, a Word document, wherever you like to save your stuff. And then for each of those points, find a photo online or of some video footage that explains that fact. Like you can grab this one here or a photo similar to this one. A site like Pixabay where you can get access to photos and videos that are royalty free. And as I said, you can choose videos as well. Then once you have that, the next thing you can use is one of these free teleprompter apps so that you can read the list of facts without having to actually remember anything while you're recording yourself looking at the front-facing camera on your phone. Well, that is if you're even comfortable with being on camera. And if you're not, well, that's okay, because that means the video is going to be even easier to make. This is because now all you'll have to do is read the video script, record your voice in any free recording app on your phone or software on your PC. Use a free software like openshot.org. Drag and drop your photo or video over their audio file with little to no editing. And how this guy has the footage in the background or on the top part of the YouTube short, you can just cover your entire screen with footage from one of these clips that you can find on a site like Pixabay. And from there it seems pretty straightforward. In that, whether you decide to do a faceless channel or a faced channel like this guy, be consistent with your quality and posting with the aim of getting views, just like this one day, with the real benefit of those views. Now, as I mentioned, while this guy is on camera building his personal brand, there's this channel over in this other video here that is completely faceless, with way easier and shorter videos that is still getting millions of views. So check that video out next if you're curious about starting a faceless channel that gets a lot of views, and of course helps you make some money along the way. So I'll see you over there.